Hello everyone. Standard 4 Math, Chapter number 3, Trip to Bhopal, page number 30. This is the part 3 of this lesson. Here some puzzles are there. Manjit and Bhanu quickly finish their lunch and start asking puzzle. So Manjit said, tell me the number which is exactly between 100 and 150. So Bhanu said 120, no. 130, no. It is 125. And Manjit said, right, okay. Now you ask. Other children join in. Everyone is asking puzzling questions. Now see these puzzling questions. A. I gave 4 toffees to each to 4 of my friends and 3 toffees are left with me. Once again, I gave 4 toffees each to 4 of my friends. 4 friends and 4 toffees. Okay, 4 friends हैं और 4 toffees देते हैं. Each means 1. एक को 4 मिलती है, so ऐसे 4 friends है. Okay, so 4 friends and 4 toffees. So we can say 4 toffees multiplied by 4 friends. So we will get answer 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. First, I give 4 toffees each to 4 of my friends and 3 toffees. 3 toffees are left with me. So 16 toffees he distributed to his friends and then 3 with him. 16 distributed and plus 3 remain left with him. So how many toffees? 16 plus 3 it is 19. So I left with him. How many toffees did I have? I have 19 toffees. B. What numbers can you make using 3, 7 and 5? What number can you make using 3, 7 and 5? 3 digits we have. 3, 7, 5. You can make 2 numbers they made here. 357 and 537. 357 and 537. What others? Others number in third standard you learn. Did you learn? Yes, we all learn in third standard. So let's make other numbers. We'll start from 3. 3 से start करेंगे. So first number we can make 375 and then 3 as it is. We'll change this 2 digit 357. Then we'll take 7 stand. 7, 3, 5. And then 7 will remain there and we'll change this place 7, 5, 3. Same we can take 5 first. 5 then which 2 other are there? 3, 7 and 5 will remain as it is and then we'll change this place 5, 7, 3. So these many numbers 3 digits number we can make. And 4 digit also we can make. We can change 3 2 times, 7 2 times, 5 2 times, like that we can make more digit numbers. See, a number become double. Double means 2 times multiplied by 2. If it is increased by 8, what is the number? 8. If we take 8, increase means plus. Increase यानी बढ़ाना है, प्लस करना. Increase by 8. A number increase by 8. What is the answer? 8 plus 8, 16. Same thing. जो number है उसको double करो. If a number become double. If a number became double means multiply by 2. 8 2s are 16. So if a number become double, if it is increased by 8. If it is increased by 8, what is the number? So the number is 8. So we can say the number is 8. Now number D. Think of a number which can be divided by 2, 3 and 5 and comes between 25 and 50. To find out the numbers divided by 2, 3 and 5, we should know divisibility. Divisibility test. Divisibility test will come in 5th standard. But let me explain that 2, the number divisible by 2. कब जो कोई भी नंबर 2 से डिवाइड हो सकता है जब उसकी वंस प्लेस यानी राइट साइड से जो फर्स्ट डिजिट है वंस प्लेस उसमें इवन नंबर होना चाहिए. 0, 2, 6, 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. If the ones place even number, then yes, that number can divide by 2. So between 25 to 50, between 25 and 50, 2 नहीं है. So 25 and 50 नहीं आएंगे. So 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46 and 48. This all digits ones place is even number. So these all numbers can divide by 2. Now divisibility of 3. 3 की divisibility क्या है? जो नंबर है वो दोनों का एडिशन 3 से डिवाइड होना चाहिए. As example 27. 27 है. If I take 27, so 2 plus 7 it is 9. Addition sum of this number should divide by 3. जो सम आया वो 3 से डिवाइड होना चाहिए विदाउट रिमाइंडर. So 9, yes, 9 can divide by 3. Yes, 3 3s are 9 and 0 will remain. So yes, these all digits are like that. 27, 30, 33. Okay. Then 36, 39, 42, 45 and 48. So this number can divide by 3. And divisibility of 5. It is very easy. Ones place should 0 or 5. Must 0 or 5 ones place है, then yes, that number can divide by 5. So 30, 35, 40 and 45. These are the numbers that is between 25 and 50. Now what we have to write? Think of a number which can be divided by 2, 3 and 5 that we wrote and comes between 25 and 20. Smallest number. Smallest number. So यहाँ से 26 है नहीं. 28 it is not here. 30 is here. 30 is here and 30 is here. So which is the smallest number? Then divide by 2, 3 and 5 and that number is 30. The smallest number is 30. That can divide by 2, 3 and as well as 5. Now E is small and climb 3 centimeter in 1 minute. Small ant can climb 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter climb करती है in 1 minute. If it climbs 3 centimeter from here to here, 3 centimeter in 1 minute. 1 minute में 3 centimeter climb करती है. But slips down 2 centimeter. But क्या होता है? 2 centimeter slip होती है. 2 centimeter slips down हो जाती है. Then how much time will it take to climb 2 centimeter? So we can say this ant can climb 1 centimeter in 1 minute. How? Because 3 centimeter 1 minute में climb तो करती है लेकिन slip भी हो जाती है ना. So कितने centimeter slip होती है? 2 centimeter. So 3 centimeter तो climb होती है but 2 centimeter slip हो जाती है. So in 1 minute it climb 1 centimeter. In 1 minute it can climb 1 centimeter. So in 2 minutes it can climb to 2 centimeter. So for 2 centimeter 2 minutes. For 1 centimeter 1 minute. So for 2 centimeter ant can take 2 minutes. Okay. So this is the D and E that you have to write in your notebook. Page number 31. Which board do we take? They are so lost in puzzles that they do not notice they have reached the lake. पजल्स खेलते खेलते उन्होंने नोटिस ही नहीं किया कि लेक तक पहुंच गए. It is very big lake with a small island in it. बहुत बड़ा लेक था. The lake looks very beautiful at this time. There are a lot of ducks making a loud noise. Some children give them popcorn. Now comes the exciting part. It is time to go for boating. Do you like to do boating? Yes. They have to choose which boat to take, but that is not easy. Next page, page number 32. See this table. Name of the boats, ticket price and trip time. See double decker boat. So उसकी प्राइस क्या है? ₹30. डबल डेकर की प्राइस क्या है? 30 रुपीज़ एंड फॉर 45 मिनट्स. 45 मिनट्स के कितने रुपीज़? 30 रुपीज़. देन पैडल बोट 15 रुपीज़ फॉर 30 मिनट्स. देन मोटर बोट्स 25 रुपीज़ फॉर 20 मिनट्स एंड बोट विथ ओर्स 15 रुपीज़ फॉर 45 मिनट्स. नाउ पेज नंबर 33. Indra and Bhanu first went in the motorboat and then took the oar boats. How much did they pay for both the boats? We have to find out that how much they pay for both the boats. So motorboats, what is the price of motorboats? 25 rupees per means for 20 minutes. For motorboats 25 rupees and for oar boats that is for 15 rupees. So total money Indra and Bhanu pays for the motorboat 25 plus 25. It is for motorboat. That is 25 plus 25. We can do दोनों हैं. So एक की 25. So दोनों की 25 plus 25 50 rupees and money paid by them for the oarboats that is 15 rupees. So 15 plus 15 it is 30. So total money Indra and Bhanu paid for the motorboats and oarboats. Paid for the both the boats that are rupees 50 plus 30 it is 80 rupees for both the boats. And how much time did they get for both the rides? कितना टाइम दोनों के लिए मिला था? टाइम फॉर द oarboats और oarboats के लिए कितना टाइम है? 45 मिनट्स एंड मोटरबोट के लिए था 20 मिनट्स. 45 oarboats and for motorboats 20 minutes. So 45 plus 20 it is 65 minutes. 65 minutes. So how much time did they get for both the ride? They got 65 minutes for both the ride. One group of children went for the double decker trip. Now double decker की प्राइस क्या है? ₹30 for 45 minutes. They paid ₹450 in total. How many children went for the double decker trip? So here they paid ₹450 in total. Total 450 rupees pay किए हैं. Now how many children went for the double decker? Double decker की प्राइस है 30 rupees. 30 rupees. So total 450 rupees. एक की प्राइस है 30 rupees. So we can divide this. 0 cancel. 0 cancel. 45 के 3 के टेबल में 45 मीन्स 45 कैन डिवाइड बाई 3. येस. फॉर कौन से टेबल में आता है? 15 3 जा 45. सो हाउ मेनी चिल्ड्रन? 15 चिल्ड्रन वेंट फॉर डबल डेकर ट्रिप. कैसे किया? फिर से टोटल मनी 450 एंड फॉर ईच ट्रिप फॉर वन टिकट 30 रुपीज़. एक चाइल्ड की 30 रुपीज़ है. सो 450 में कितने बच्चे आएंगे? 450 डिवाइड बाई 30 एंड दैट इज 15. सो 50 चिल्ड्रन वेंट फॉर द डबल डेकर ट्रिप. विच बोट मेक्स 2 trips in 1 hour? Which boat takes 2 trips in 1 hour? We know 1 hour has how many minutes? 60 minutes. So from the table, हम टेबल में देखेंगे. Let's see this table here. From the table, paddle boat takes 30 minutes. Paddle boat takes 30. We have to see this column 30 minutes. to complete a trip. Hence, pedal boat will take 2 trips in 60 minutes. 30 plus 30, 60. So, we can say pedal boat will take 2 trips in 60 minutes or 1 hour. Then which boat takes less than half an hour? Less than half an hour. Half hour has 30 minutes. So less than half an hour, we know that motorboat took 20 minutes. So we can say this motorboats. Motorboat takes less than half an hour. Which boat gives them the most time taking the least money? सबसे कम मनी में सबसे ज़्यादा कौन सी बोट में मज़ा आता है? Least money and most time. ज़्यादा टाइम और कम मनी. So which boat gives them the most time taking the least money? From the table we come to know that the least money rupees 15. 15 rupees किसके है? Pedal boat के. And O boats, that is also 15 rupees, least money. And here the O boat trips gives more times compared to the given by the pedal boats. Pedal boats का time है 30 minutes and oar boats का time है 45 minutes. So we can say oar boat gives the most time taking the least money. Here oar boats. Oar boats. And Javed went twice for boating. Javed 2 time boating के लिए गया. He paid a total of 40 rupees. 40 rupees पे किए and boated for 50 minutes. 40 rupees में 2 trip और टाइम कितना 50 मिनट्स. विच 2 बोट्स डिड ही टेक? कौन सी 2 बोट ली होगी उसने? सो लेट्स सी. जावेद टुक पैडल एंड मोटर बोट्स. डायरेक्टली वी कैन से टोटल मनी ही पेड 40 rupees and time 50 minutes. From the table we can see, let's see the table. See this table. Here we can see that Javed took the pedal boat and motorboat. Pedal boat and motorboat trips which together cost 40 rupees. 15 plus 25. दोनों का एडिशन करो सो कितने हुए 40 rupees. And the total time spent 30 plus 20. कितना टाइम स्पेंड हुआ 50 minutes. Total time spent on both the boats is 15 minutes. Time to return. Children enjoy the front boat ride till 4 o'clock. And it is time to return. Now they will not stop anywhere and reach back into 2 hours. It's 4 o'clock and they will not stop anywhere. Or means to reach back it will take 4 hours. So they should reach Hoshangarh by at which o'clock? At what o'clock? 4 o'clock. Then 2 hours they will take to reach. So 4 plus 2, 6. So 6 o'clock. They should reach Hoshangarh by 6 o'clock. By 6 o'clock. It is o'clock it is given. So by 6 o'clock they will reach. Practice time number 1. There are 4 very old cave painting. There are 4 very old cave painting and मार्क द ओल्डेस्ट. सबसे ओल्ड कौन सी है? 400 years old, 1000 years old, 8500 years old or 1300 years old. Which one is the old? So among all the cave paintings 8500 years is the oldest cave painting. So which option? Option C is the correct option. Number 2. One bus can carry 48 children. How many children can 3 buses carry? About 100, 200 or 150. One bus can carry 48. एक में 48 है. So 48. So how many children can 3 buses carry? 48 multiplied by 3. 48 into 3. 48 multiplied by 3. So 48. 8 3s are 24 and 4 3s are 12 and 2 14. So 144. So approximately we can say 150 children. विच पेयर ऑफ नंबर्स एड टू मेक मोर देन 500? कौन सी पेयर है जो ऐड करके 500 मोर देन 500 बनती है? विच पेयर ऑफ नंबर्स ऐड टू मेक मोर देन 500? So let us add the pairs to check the numbers. 152 plus 241 कितने होते हैं? That is 393. Then B, 321 plus 192, that is 2 plus 1 3, 9 plus 2 11, and 3 and 1 4 and 1 5. So 513. 99 and 299. 398 and 401 and 91, it is 492. So which one is more than 500? Obviously B is more than 500. 4 number, what happens at what time? Draw line to match. What happened to what time? So first is given cross the Narmada bridge at 9:10. Yes. Look at Bhimbetka painting. Bhimbetka painting कौन से टाइम में देखा था? At 11:30. Approximately 11 o'clock they reached there. So at 11:30 we can say Bhimbetka. Then at petrol pump before Bhimbetka. Petrol pump Bhimbetka के पहले था ना? At petrol pump. So it is 9:30. Then boating in the lake. अभी देखा लेक में बोटिंग कौन से टाइम में किया? Approximately 3 PM. Directly we can join. Then had lunch 12:30 and return to होशंगाबाद. अभी देखा था that return to होशंगाबाद, that is 6 o'clock. Okay, 6 PM. So students, do this in textbook only. Don't write in notebook.